Hi guys, Alex Filvet here, and this is my 8th video about my personal project, and it is a military hangar with rocket inside in Gears of War 5 universe. And in this video I want to tell you about UV mapping and baking. So for UV mapping I was using 3D Max, UV layout and Maya for just to check textile density. And yeah, for baking I was using Marmoset toolbook. Yeah, and as well when I had some issues or I wanted to change color, like in case with crane and so on, I was using Photoshop. Yeah, that's all. Have a good one.